In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can completely remove or uninstall Chromium from Windows. So for it, just go to your Windows search option and search over here setting. And in the setting, you need to go to apps, then go to install apps. So here you need to look for Chromium. So you can look it manually or you can also search it over here. So I'm just going to search over here Chromium. Here you can see Chromium. So we need to click on this three dot, click on uninstall, and then yes, also delete the browsing data, click here uninstall. So this will uninstall Chromium from your Windows. After that, we can just close this, and here we need to go to our local disk C. Then we'll go to our users folder. Then here you will see one more user folder. Go inside, and here you will see a lot of folders. So here you need to look for app data folder, and if you do not see the app data folder, you need to click on view, click on show, and here you can see hidden items. So you need to check this. So once you check this, it will show you app data folder. So let's go inside, and here you need to go inside local folder, and in the local folder you need to look for Chromium folder, and if you just find it, just delete it. And if you do not find the Chromium folder, it means when you uninstall Chromium, it automatically deleted file from here. So once you delete that, it means Chromium is completely uninstalled from your Windows. So yeah, I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.